All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're doing today, we're gonna be putting in a new mass airflow sensor into our Nissan here. It's been running rough, had a lot of trouble, and I actually used my Bluetooth driver to go ahead and diagnose it, and I'll show you that here in a second. But first, I'm gonna give you a little tip and trick. If your battery starts getting like this, corrosion, all that stuff, easiest thing to do, get yourself some hot water, and you're gonna go ahead and just pour that on there and watch it all just disappear. All right, there you go. Tips and tricks 101. There you go. All right, so we have our blue driver. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and plug that in. All right, so the light came on there. And then we're gonna turn it to accessory and undo a window because it is hot in here. Now we're gonna go to our blue driver app. It's gonna connect to sensor, and we're gonna do all system modules. It's gonna scan. All right, my nice high mileage car. We're gonna click continue, and 5 confirm codes. So misfire in cylinder 3, mass airflow sensor, intake air temperature sensor, evap system. So main reason running rough, the mass airflow sensor, that could have thrown the cylinder 3, or it's probably just time for a tune-up, and I can get some ignition coils to put in there. But we're gonna go ahead and do the mass airflow sensor first, and I'll let you hear the vehicle, how it sounds. So it's not too bad right now, but once I go to move it, I'll pull it up a little here. Yeah, it's rough. So shut that off. All right, so here's the new mass airflow sensor, and that's the part number for it right there. And it's located right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this harness off here, and hopefully, I just put some PB Blast on those screws, but they're also, I don't know if I can get that in here. The screws themselves have their star, but with the dimple in the center. So I didn't check yet, but hopefully this box has the bit in there. If not, I got these right here I can go ahead and take them off with. So it's really no big deal. All right, so let's go ahead and disconnect this. All right, so we got that off. And what we want to do, we want to hit that with a little electronic cleaner. It's inside there just in case dirt and stuff was in there. So we'll spray that out really quick. Alright, so let's open up our new mass airflow sensor and hope that it has the bit in there. Which it does. Alright. So it also comes with 2 new screws, which is good because those ones look pretty rusted out, just like the rest of this vehicle. But that's what I was talking about. It's star-shaped, and then it has the hole in the center. Alright, so it's just the 2 screws here, one here, one down here. right, there's the second screw. Now we can go ahead and pull this out of there. And there it is. That little thing will throw your whole car off. Alright, so we had the wrong sensor, so we had to return it. And we got this one here. And this is the correct one. So this is 202-01210, and then the number below that is 742-9379, and the PN is 7450036. So if you're wondering what the numbers are in there. So okay, before you go install this, make sure your orientation, you want this black side, the plastic part, facing up, and the metal side facing down. And you're gonna slip it back in. And then we'll go ahead and reattach our 2 screws and then plug it in, and then we'll check it out. So we got the 2 screws in. Now we'll go ahead and plug this back in. And let's go ahead and alright, so let's go ahead and check her out, fire her up, and see what it says. Alright, so let's put it on accessory. Read codes. All systems. I'll let that scan and see if the mass airflow sensor comes up again. So let's go ahead and hit OK here. Continue. So 0 codes. Alright. Well, let's fire her up and take her for a test spin. Other than a wonky muffler, which we're going to replace, it seems to be driving really good. So, alright guys. I think it's working. Alright, so as you can see, no codes, none of that stuff, which is always a plus. It's driving good. But that muffler is sure annoying the hell out of me, so that'll be the next thing we do. And give this little guy a tune-up too. So, alright, we'll see you back at the house. Alright, new one's in. It's driving good. No more check engine lights. And as it goes, Amazon just arrived with all the other parts that I thought I was going to need, which I might replace anyways, especially the ignition coils. I was going to change those out anyways, wouldn't hurt it. And I got an evap canister of the purge valve, because that was one of the lights. And then the engine coolant temperature sensor, because that was another thing that said was going off. But maybe I'll save them for another video. But now I'm probably going to go ahead and throw these in anyways, just because they were really cheap and this car is easy to work on. So, alright. Well, once again, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.